today we'll talk about how can you find your reviews on your hotels.com app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go down here, click here on account down here. We just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, then you click here on reviews. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find all of your reviews you have here. So I have no reviews here yet, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your hotels.com app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.